Today we're taking a look at a fifth sleeper room here at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. As we come into the room, you can see a mirror here to our left, a lot of space here to put luggage. You have your air conditioning unit there, spinning to the right side. This is the connecting room, fits perfectly the stroller, and we have stayed here before with a double stroller and it fits great right here. Jonathan is modeling the sofa. And then this is a pull-down queen-size bed. We'll show that in a few minutes. I love the Little Mermaid decor. Here is a coffee table, and this is storage. Jonathan, do you want to open that up for me?
You're just supposed to pick it up?
Yep. Remember, it lifts up? Oh, muscles. There we go. So there is storage underneath. I put the kids' backpacks and things like that here, and then this could be your little eating table. Next to the Murphy bed, you have a queen-size bed here. There's an actual nightstand with a good-sized drawer and a cubby. Charging ports and plugs on both sides. There is storage underneath for all of your luggage. Across from the pull-down Murphy bed, this is a child-size bed. I'll show you these beds pulled down in just a minute, but there are 3 good-sized drawers underneath there. And then when the bed is pulled up, this is a nice little seating bench. Got a nice sized TV here, and it is Jonathan's and my birthday. We're celebrating our August birthdays, and how cute is that little message? Jonathan thought that was really cool. We have a drawer and a beverage cooler. To the left of the refrigerator, there are 3 drawers. Good sized drawers too. A little smaller drawer, kind of like a desk drawer in the middle. Thanks, Jonathan, for opening all this stuff up for me. Oh, you're putting your Powerade in there? That's a good idea. It is hot. There is the safe, your coffee, ice bucket, extra shelves, a nice size counter here too for all of your charging needs and just extra stuff. And then coming into the bathroom, we have this nice mirror here. We have our 2 sinks, a ledge for all of your toothbrushes and things. There's a drawer underneath, and then this right here is a stool for your kids to be able to step up and use the sink. I think that's so clever. There are cubbies here for storage. Inside this little wardrobe, there's hangers for your clothes, your luggage rack, your iron, your ironing board, extra pillows and blankets. Coming around here, this is the tub shower combo. And the toilet, of course. I love that artwork there of Sebastian and Flounder. This door closes off for privacy, as well as this barn door closes as well. So this is what the fifth sleeper looks like pulled out. My daughter Jaden loves to sleep on that. And then here is the Murphy bed pulled down. I love Little Mermaid. It's one of my favorite movies. And I love all the different artwork. It's really, really cute. This is what the room looks like when all of the beds are pulled down. You can see there's still a decent amount of walking space here. I am just overall very pleased with this 5th sleeper room here at Caribbean Beach. Well, that's going to do it for a room tour of a standard view 5th sleeper room here at Caribbean Beach. Now we're in the Trinidad section, so that means that we are just a short walk to the Skyliner, a little bit of a trek from here to the lobby and the main pool, but that's okay. I love having that access to the Skyliner, being able to kind of bypass the crowds, and there's a Joffrey station right there at the bottom of the ramp, so that is perfect. If you have stayed here, let me know what section you stayed in and how you like the rooms. Let us know in the comments below. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more room tours around Walt Disney World. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and we will see you real soon. Bye, friends.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.